Now here for close round 17, after this cable stitch and 2 chain here, make a slip stitch top of first front post double crochet here, and this round finish. Round 18, chain 1 just for a start, skip first front post double crochet, around next make a front post double crochet, chain 1, then another front post double crochet around first front post double crochet here, here like this, two chain, 1, 2, then skip here and skip this popcorn, around this front post double crochet here, make 5 front post double crochet popcorn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now a popcorn here, 2 chain, 1, 2, skip this popcorn, skip this spiral here, and here skip first front post double crochet, around next make a front post double crochet, chain 1, a front post double crochet, around first front post double crochet here, 2 chain, 1, 2, now here 4 front post double crochet cable stitch, skip 2 first, 1, 2, 3 here, 1 front post double crochet, another front post double crochet, and here I had 2 front post double crochet, 1, and the other one here, 2, two chain, 1, 2, skip this leaf here, now here around this front post double crochet make a popcorn, 5 front post double crochet popcorn, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now a popcorn here. Now a double crochet into this 3 chain space, then 2 chain, 1, 2, another double crochet in the same place, now 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, another double crochet into same place, now 2 chain, 1, 2, another double crochet into same place, here like this. Now a popcorn around next front post double crochet here, so 5 front post double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now a popcorn here. Two chain, 1, 2, skip the sleeve, and here make 4 front post double crochet cable stitch. 1, 2, I skip 2, around the third one make a front post double crochet, another front post double crochet around next, then 2 front post double crochet here, 1 and 2, 2 chain, 1, 2, and repeat the pattern one more time here. Skip first front post double crochet, around next make a front post double crochet, chain 1, another front post double crochet around this one I skipped, okay. Now I just repeat the pattern again. 2 chain, 1, 2, skip this spiral and first popcorn, around this front post double crochet I have to make a popcorn. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I popcorn here. 2 chain, 1, 2, skip this popcorn and this is spiral here, and here skip first front post double crochet, around next make a front post double crochet, chain 1, now a front post double crochet around first front post double crochet here, 2 chain, 1, 2, now here cable stitch, skip 2 first, 1, 2, 3 here around the third one, 1 and 2, now here I skipped 2 front post double crochet around the first, 1 and around the second one, another front post double crochet here, 2 chain, 1, 2, skip the sleeve, now here make a popcorn, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now a popcorn here. Now a double crochet into this 3 chain space, 2 chain, 1, 2, another double crochet in the same place, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, another double crochet in the same place, 2 chain, 1, 2, another double crochet in the same place. Now a popcorn around next, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now a popcorn here, 2 chain, 1, 2, skip the sleeve, and here make cable stitch. Skip 2 first, 1, 2, 3 here, 1, another one around next 2. Now 2 front post double crochet here around this 2 here, 1 around the first one, another one around next, 2 chain, 1, 2 here, skip first, around next, make a front post double crochet, chain 1, 1, and another front post double crochet around this one, 2 chain, 1, 2, and repeat the pattern here. Okay, continue this round, and I come back here to close this round.